everyone. Welcome to the Living Tennessee YouTube channel. I'm Daniel Askew, your host, your founder, your CEO, whatever you want to call me. I'm kind of the guy that mows the lawn. I pay the bills. If you're a bill collector, call Josh. Anyways, this is the behind the scenes, behind the music for those of you from the 90s. This is how we run our company. This is going to be about the amazing people involved, business leaders in the community, the best clubs, the best places to eat, the best place to have fun, where to ride your bikes, where to walk your dogs, where to walk your cats, all the stuff you need for living in the middle of Tennessee, living your best life. Please subscribe below. Look forward to seeing you on the next video.